Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create 4 simple shapes in Illustrator. So I'm just going to grab the shape tool, and we are first going to draw a heart, rotate it like so. Then you are going to add 2 circles. Like about here. And another one here. If there's still like these gaps, make sure to fill it in like so. I'm just going to delete this and copy and paste. There. Then you're just going to group that, or you can select unite. So to you. Then you are going to create this star shape. So select this circle. Just going to change the color to okay. Go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Pucker and Bloat, and you're going to go to Pucker. Make sure you click Preview so you can see what you're doing. It's like okay. Just going to copy and paste that and add a smaller one here, kind of. Okay, once you're done with that, we are now going to create the moon shape. So I'm just going to create a circle here. I'm just going to choose blue. Then copy and paste that. And I'm just going to choose another color so you can see. So this is like the moon shape right here. Select both and then go to Pathfinder and select the minus front one. You have this moon shape. And then for the last one, I'm just going to use this polygon tool. And I am going to turn it into a flower. So let's change the color here. Then I'm going to go to Effect, Distort and Transform, and select Pucker and Bloat, and we are going to the bloat side, like so. And press OK, and I'm just going to use the ellipse tool to create the center of it, and I'm also just going to change the color of it to here, like so. Okay, and that is it. We have our 4 shapes. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!